Hi, my name is Nate Bushnell, and I serve as the worship pastor here at New Life St. Louis. One of the biggest challenges we faced was poor audio quality, outdated equipment, and a lack of a seamless streaming experience. It was affecting not just our in-person services, but also how we connected with our online audience. We knew we needed a solution that would enhance our production quality and make things easier for our team, and that's where Front Porch Media came in. They helped us find the right gear for our needs, and the experience and difference has been incredible. Our sound is clearer, our volunteers feel more confident using our equipment, and it has elevated everything about the experience our praise team and musicians have. From the very beginning, working with Front Porch Media was a great experience. They took the time to understand our challenges and recommend the right solutions, not just what was popular, but what was best for our church. Their communication was top-notch. They were always available to answer questions and troubleshoot issues and make sure we were set up for success. The installation process was smooth, and they walked us through everything, making sure our team felt comfortable with the new setup. If you're looking for a team that's professional, knowledgeable, and genuinely cares about your church's media needs, I can't recommend Front Porch Media enough. They help take our production to the next level, and we couldn't be happier with the end results. Thank you so much, Front Porch Media, for your expertise and support. Our church is better because of it.